welcome to Sunset Beach. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to the Sunset Beach here in Koh Lipe. So this is the last beach that we are going to show you, and yes, because they have only 4 beaches here in Koh Lipe. So now prepare yourself to watch this video. Okay, which way?
Right.
This way? Not that long. You will see the sunset beach where you can watch the sunset goes down on the water. Oh, did you see that? The water. So here you have to go through the many trees here. Banana. Okay, so we've been here, but we did not cover this because of something. The color now is not that same yesterday, because today it's partly cloudy. No?
Mm-hmm.
It's cloudy.
It's very cloudy.
Yes, it's peaceful here.
If you want to get away from the crowd, this is the place.
Yeah, if you want to get away from the crowds, because in Pattaya, in Sunrise, in North Point of the beach, it's a very busy there. More on tourists there, many tourists there. Here we are. So shallow. That's why they put the, that's why they put the that's why they put the basura here, because it's shallow.
True.
So this is the other side of the Sunset Beach, and then here. So
Left first.
Okay.
Small.
Small, and then look at their sand.
Volcanic.
Really?
Yeah.
This is volcanic sand. Oh. So each beaches here, they have different kind of sand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's black.
Yeah, it's black. Look, you will know that this is sunset here in Koh Lipe because it's black. The sand, it's black. Okay, let's go. And it's shallow here. Okay, let me try the water. Oh, yeah, it's a good temperature. See, it's not that crowded here. Not many people here. And not many boats. Yeah, that's what I like.
You can go to the rocks. Look at that.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you find
And it's
white sand. Look.
yeah, and it's not really that, you know, the waves.
No way.
Yeah, no waves here.
Almost like a lake.
Maybe because it's shallow. Yeah. Say you can play sports. I like that kind of sports. Badminton.
Yeah. You'll have to try.
It's so challenging. I know, not really. It's just a fun. Oh, so many fish. Look, so many fish. They have black fish here. The color of the fish is black. I told you it's less crowded here. See, so people staying here.
Look at that spot. There's even a boat there.
There, yeah. Yeah. Wow, look! Look! Wow, big fish! Ay! Oh, they're going there. Oh, now we're gonna show you the sign here. This is the sunset. To this one, sunset. See, but this one is broken. It's not working anymore. So this is sunset beach. Okay, let's continue, everybody. So here if you will see, there are many rocks. That means there are also many crabs and fish here, different kind of fish. Now we will go to another side of this beach, which is on the right side. On the right side. Let's go.
Weißt du noch ungefähr, wo ich war? Konntest du das nicht mehr?
the dog. Doggy. Oh, looks like. Behind the sunset beach is private land. That's so nice. What's this? Where we will go now. So this is the entrance, and on the other side as well they have entrance. If you've been in their resort, you are staying there, then you have the access to go to the beach. Look, see that one, the long one, the long fish. There are also some vendors here. They are selling food, so you can eat your lunch, dinner, breakfast. So here on the right side, they have boat, but on the other side they don't have. You can relax, chill under the tree. Like this, they put the chairs under the tree. Then you just have to order something from them. It's so shallow here. It's nice. I think this is for, I think every beach here is shallow, no? Only on the north point beach. No? Yeah, because there it's deep, but here in Pattaya and in Sunrise Beach, kids can swim because it's not shallow. So here on the other side, it's less crowded. I mean, you can count the people here, not that 10. Someone's building here a castle. Let's see what's next to that. Oh, I think they go there. Yeah, they cross on the tracks, you know. It's so nice here, not like in Koh Samui and on each island that we've been for. It's crowded there, oh my gosh, but here less crowded, not many people. Let me have a look. Oh, you can use this to support yourself. Yeah. Oh, see? Here. They cross here.